What is she doing? Oh.
If you have a cat like this, you don't need a babysitter anymore.
Oh dear, not everyone walking on all fours is your kind little kitty.
当然不能，那都是段子，是不是大家？咬人就骂你卖了啊！你卖了啊！哎呀，小大姐太乖了，这么心疼妈妈，爱你爱你，么么哒。
She knows exactly what can make a lazy cat move its body.
The cat's like, you can't leave the house on my watch.
Oh my, come here, my friend. What's that creature over there? I've never seen it before. You haven't either? Even without any evidence, the culprit behind that chair is already found.
Homeschooling is going great. The cats are acing participation, but failing pronunciation.
Carl. It's okay.
A clear message from the protector. I handle all the cuddling around here. Your participation is not required.
Being able to play with cats so skillfully at that age, no doubt they're best friends.
A beautiful display of interspecies communication, where play is the only language they both need.
Sometimes disagreements happen between cats and children.
What is going on in here? Oh my goodness, what have you two done?
A clear illustration of why the cat and the kid should never be left alone with baking ingredients. It was definitely the other one's fault. That cat is rocking the cradle with the passion of someone waiting for their shift to finally end. That baby is getting the best spa treatment in the house, courtesy of a very dedicated massage therapist cat.
2个、4个，哇，这么多孩子，你上哪儿去？